Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and today I'll show you how we can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started we'll need to actually turn it off, so let's hold our power key and then select power off. Now when the device turns off you're going to hold power key and volume up, so both of them at the same time. Now when you boot into the recovery mode, which is, well, this screen right over here, you want to select safe mode. And this will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it will be in safe mode. So, as you can see, we're back in the system, and there is a safe mode marking just so we are always aware that we are in safe mode. Now in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function normally. Anything that you have installed yourself will be turned off and will not be able to run in this mode. Now once you're done with it, and you want to go back to the normal mode, all you would need to do is simply reboot the device. So, hold the power key, and from here select restart. And as you can see, we are now back in Android in a normal mode, or Harmony OS in this case. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.